This is my daily driver, my 2005 Chrysler 300C Hemi all-wheel drive. And today my buddy Zach is going to detail the engine because this thing is just filthy. It's nasty. That's like the cleanest thing in the whole engine bay is the air filter I replaced because the Can-N one became kind of junky. It was real nasty. And funny enough, the actual piece that goes onto the tube itself was still on, but the base of the filter sort of warped and it fell off and I could not get it back on. So I just said, I'm just going to get this universal one from O'Reilly's and put that on because I kind of need an air filter to drive on the road. And this was about $35 cheaper than the exact same Can-N one I had, so I figured it's not gonna make a difference, but it's something.
I'm gonna go up here first.
Not as dirty as the Firebird yesterday. Nowhere near the same level. It died as we were getting good. Oh, that's great. That's hilarious. Uh-oh.
The power washer.
Yeah, we had a hiccup.
We just had to relieve the pressure. That's why we couldn't restart it. But the choke is currently on. We couldn't leave this much longer. This is fine.
Yep.
But it needs to stay back there. We're gonna have to do a good job drying this.
These hinges aren't bad.
I use a steam cleaner just because you don't really have a lot of. It's not very damp.
I don't know why it's going down. The struts aren't bad in it. Here, I'll just hold it up. Don't bother me. It said I'm done.
Makes a big difference when you use detailing brushes. Right now I'm just using a little bit of Chemical Guys nonsense, some good stuff.
Oh, it's actually called nonsense.
Yeah, it's literally nonsense. So it's good for most surfaces. It's pH balanced, doesn't dry anything up. But this brush, you're agitating the stuff. You're moving it around. You're loosening it up, so that way it can be picked up with something like this.
Oh, that looks way better. It looks like brand new now.
Yep. So you get it out of the cracks. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I like to do clean, degrease clean, and then use the protectants like the VRP, vinyl, rubber, and plastic.
I feel like the place that would be the biggest difference, realistically, would be like the intake.
Oh yeah, it's all in here. This whole thing, I'm telling you. Just come back. That'll take no time at all to do that part.
What's something interesting is that this flap up here is actually where the cap and air filter is. It's super easy to get to.
So this is a perfect example of the perfect spot to use this stuff with letters. Okay, yeah. See?
Wow, look at that.
But anyway, I'm gonna sweep. I'm coming this way, going that way. That's another great spot. Look at how bad that looks.
Yep. Wow. Also, good job on the zip tie job with it. Dividing the wires up.
Thanks, David Freiberger.
Yeah, thanks to David Freiberger. Otherwise, this would look like spaghetti, as you said.
Oh yeah, and not the good kind.
No bop with the boopies.
See, look at that. Look at all that crap. that I'm just moving around.
You weren't kidding about agitating it.
Yep.
Just for a comparison, this side to that side where it was just, we just cleaned it off. It's like new. You can eat off that. It looks so much cleaner. Yeah, there's still leaves and garbage. It doesn't help that I park under a tree at my house.
I park under a tree at my house too as well, so it's all too familiar.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go here.
Oh, I want to see the valve covers.
Valve covers are going to be a little hard themselves without actually.
Oh, that's true. I thought that's what you were spraying.
Special. Okay, that's going to be good. Brass. Or aluminum.
Yeah.
But I'm doing plug modules real quick. Dry it off. Should have really done this first because this is going to create dust.
Wow.
Wear your PPE, guys. I should be wearing a mask right now. I'm breathing in aluminum dust. Do as they say.
Safety third.
Do as they say, not as I do.
Safety third. So, I don't think OSHA would be upset with us.
Yeah, so You might have to save the actual cleaning the metal for another day.
That's fine.
But I'm just trying to get the very visible areas.
That's a difference. That is a difference. What even is that stuff on the valve covers? Dirt
That's
or
just
corrosion?
That's corrosion, yeah.
Okay. Boy, these things would look phenomenal polished.
This stuff. I'm gonna try this. This is interior detailing. But, it smells great. I'm just gonna check this out real quick. Some lint on here though. Yeah, this isn't as good as because the VRP is a cream. This is great for interior detailing.
Yep.
Vinyl panels and stuff like that. But we're on limited time here, so I'm trying to kind of.
I can come back another time.
Gotta clean them hose.
I was gonna say you were cleaning my hose. I was gonna hold back from saying that, but you said that, so I couldn't help myself. I think this is the closest to this engine ever actually getting like clean besides just like washed with water, really. I'm not even sure what that part is.
It's a wire loom.
Oh.
Part of the harness.
Okay, I see now.
Like the engine harness. Before the stuff dries. Get in here.
Yeah, after this, time to pack it up for the day. You did good, dude. It looks 1,000 times better than it did. It looks better than it did.
Fucking 10. Excuse my language. Like a 10-minute.
Yeah, it's not like we got hours and hours. If I didn't have work, it'd be different.
Yep. Hold on, almost done. For today.
Yep. I was gonna say after that, that's it. looks better. Please don't spray anymore.
I just chin checked myself.
Zach, don't spray anymore. I gotta go.
Okay.
If I had more time, I wouldn't care.
Not too bad.
No, that's a hell of a difference.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, that's a difference.
Not bad.
That's a lot better.
Again, 10-15 minute light cleaning.
Yep.
You know, there's still a lot to do here. Clean the metal, really get in there, possibly bring out the steam cleaner.
Steam cleaner would do wonders of this. That would take chunks.